Do you still think you need thousands to start investing? That's exactly why most people stay broke. The truth is, even $50 a month can grow into over $10,000. Do you still prefer to spend it on a night out? So, let me break it down for you. There are three main ways to invest: saving, crypto, and ETFs. Saving sounds safe, right? But here's the problem. Average savings interest is only 2%, while inflation eats up more than that. So your money actually loses value sitting in the bank. Crypto? It's very flashy and risky. Yes, you can get lucky, but it's like throwing darts blindfolded. Unless you understand the crypto market or really enjoy high-stakes gambling, it's not ideal for beginners. That brings us to ETFs, exchange-traded funds. Basically, a low-cost way to invest in hundreds of companies at once, like Apple, Amazon, and Google. Instead of buying one stock, you buy a piece of a whole basket. It's much safer and more balanced. Over the past 10 years, some ETFs have averaged 7 to 10% returns. So, what happens if you put $50 a month into one of these ETFs? With compound interest, after 10 years, you could be looking at over $10,000 without touching the money. No day trading and no stress. Just automatic monthly investing and letting time do the work. It's not about the market, it's about the time. And that's the secret most people miss. Do you want to make it even easier? Use an app like Bucks, DGyro, or Trading 212 to set and forget it. I started this with nothing but my student loan and a monthly reminder. Now I sleep better knowing my money's working for me while I rest. So, what's your excuse? If you've got $50, you've got options. Drop a comment if you've already started investing or if you want me to cover specific ETFs or apps next. And if you're serious about building your future, one smart step at a time, subscribe to Good to Know so you never miss a tip like this.